Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best TradingView Oscillator to use. So here's a breakdown. If you're just getting started with TradingView, the relative strength index, which is the RSI, is the best oscillator to learn fast. It's simple, clear, and really helpful for spotting the overbought and the oversold condition, basically telling you when a market might be stretched up or down. Another great one is the stochastic oscillator. It works similarly but can give early signal in fast markets like crypto or forex. Both RSI and stochastic oscillator help you time entries and exit when price hits extremely level. Start with the RSI and stochastics if you want a second opinion and keep your charts tidy. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple TradingView tips, and comment which oscillator you would like to use first. And that's it.